Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Smartsheet for row-level project collaboration step by step clearly. To register with Smartsheet for row-level project collaboration, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.smartsheet.com and press enter. On the Smartsheet homepage, look for the Sign Up button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be presented with options to sign up using your Google account or email. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and confirm it in the provided field. After filling in your information, click the Get Started button. You will receive an email confirmation. Check your inbox for this message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Smartsheet homepage. Log in using your registered email and password. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the Smartsheet dashboard. To create a new sheet for project collaboration, click on Create New or Plus New. Choose blank sheet or select an appropriate template that suits your project needs. Name your new sheet and set the necessary parameters as prompted. To enable row-level collaboration, select the specific row you want to work on. Click on the row, then look for the collaboration options usually found in the toolbar. Here, you can add comments, attach files, or assign tasks to team members. Invite team members to collaborate by clicking the Share button at the top. Enter their email addresses and set their permissions accordingly, such as editor or viewer. Click Send to invite them to your sheet. As collaborators begin to join, facilitate discussions and updates directly within the row. Utilize the Update Requests feature to keep team members informed. Monitor progress by checking the row-level updates and comments regularly. Explore additional features within Smartsheet to enhance your project management experience. This concludes the step-by-step registration process for row-level project collaboration in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.